No, you're not looking at a beer commercial. It's not even a promo clip of how to start your own brewery. We're going to talk about a serious and rather new concept for doing business: corporate social responsibility, otherwise known as CSR. We've been invited to the Braliwa Brewery in Rwanda, where they are very active with various kinds of CSR activities. Managing Director Sven Piderit explains.
We at Braliwa, we firmly believe in our role as a corporate responsible citizen. Braliwa is here since 50 years. This year, 2009, actually marks the 50th anniversary of our company. In the philosophy of Heineken and also Braliwa, we think that Braliwa can play an important role in the economic social development of the country.
One of the most obvious CSR projects is the hospital clinic at the brewery site.
Here we are in the medical center of the brewery, where Braliwa staff and their families can be treated free. They are treated for free, and they receive all treatment that we can provide to them here. But if they have something we can treat, they can be sent to Kigali or to another hospital, and they are treated for free.
And why is the brewery doing this for its own staff and their families?
For Braliwa, for the company, it's important for us to have staff which is in good conditions, and we prefer to provide them with this health care, so we can be sure that our staff is good treated and is healthy in good conditions, and we provide the same to the family members, because we want to make sure that everybody is in good conditions.
I would like to distinguish a little bit between two areas within CSR. Let's say we have the pure, as I call it, CSR, which inclines a little bit more to the charity side. And of course we're very much engaged in all kinds of activities, like supporting of the Genocide Memorial, tree planting, schools support, health initiatives. However, the other side, as a commercial company, I think is of equal importance. Braliwa is a beer company, a soft drinks company, but of course around us there's a whole spectrum of other companies and private entrepreneurs. We used to import all our raw materials. So since a couple of years we have been starting to substitute imported materials with local raw materials, sorghum and now maize. How do we do that? We try to develop maize growing in Rwanda. Together with local entrepreneurs, we have started a maize growing project.
In this roadshow, we have decided to offer prizes to our consumers to promote our beer. Actually, one of the slogans of Primus Beer is "Share a brighter life." So we have decided share the brighter life, but also share a lighter life with offering solar lamps to most of our consumers. You know, most of them, for those who are living in up countries, they don't have electricity. So the solar lamps will help them to share the light.
I firmly believe that actually it's in the interest of our company, it's a private interest, to develop our sector. And I firmly also believe that this should be the way development should be pushed. Private initiatives will bring the final growth which is necessary to bring the country to another level.